Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
There is a PIL file as regards structures which are coming up near the turtle nesting site in Agonda village. The argument of the petitioner was that these structures which are permitted cannot be permitted in the area where there is a turtle nesting. And we showed to the court that there are no structures which are permitted on the area where there is a turtle nesting. The structures which have come up are on the landward side of the beach, where there is a beach carrying capacity which is permitted in terms of 2017 report. The issue is whether that threshold or the limit insofar as number of structures are concerned and the area where it is permitted have been breached or not. Now we have pointed out that we have granted permission in accordance with law in respect of certain structures, and we have found that there are certain structures in respect of which there are no permissions granted by the CRZ authority. We have issued show cause notices to around 67 structures. The court has directed that those show cause notices should be disposed of at the earliest